Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and in today's video I'm going to show you a free complete technical analysis course for beginners and advanced traders. And what's more, this course has been viewed by, just listen to this, 20 million traders on YouTube. 20 million. So why am I showing you this course? When you are in the Forex trading business, you need to keep abreast of the developments in the market and the latest trading techniques. One of the ways of doing this is to find YouTube videos which have the highest viewership and to learn from these videos. That is also a way of creating more efficient trading robots by automating exceptional strategies. This is why we watch these popular trading videos and suggest them to our clients. And why this particular YouTube video, which is 77 minutes long, has attracted 20 million views, is because it has been getting rave reviews. And just let's look at some of the comments that have been made. And here are the comments. I'm not actually going to read through all of them. You can pause the video and read through them. But essentially what people are saying is that the material has been presented in such a way that it's highly understandable and it's also very thorough. So it covers all the major technical analysis processes that you ever would need to know to trade in that short video. So the learning points from this course is that they go through candlestick charts very carefully and how you can trade those particular charts. Then they look at trading trending markets, how to use support and resistance, very important. The major proprietary trading traders use support and resistance. They also show how to use indicators to boost your results and how to use candlestick patterns. So the first one is looking at candlestick charts and the second one is looking at candlestick patterns, and then they look at the traditional breakout patterns that are presented on charts. Now this course has given us many ideas for automation of many of the trading strategies, but interesting enough, as we went through it, many strategies have already been automated by us. So please let me know what you think of this great 77-minute course and which concepts you think can be easily automated for you. Now, although this is a manual course, we are in the business of creating trading robots for our clients. And here is a video that if you have not traded robots before, this is a really good video to watch. It's had 86,000 views, not quite 20 million, but it is a very popular video. And here are some of the indicators mentioned in the course that we have already automate. But also, as a beginner, you can link your trading account to that of a successful robot trader, and that's most probably the easiest way to make money in the forex market, because you are letting an experienced person trade your account effectively by copying the trades that experienced robot trader is making into your own account. So have a look at this service. You don't need much trading knowledge. All you need to do is add a receiver robot to your trading account. So here's the video that has made this fantastic, and there you can see it, 20 million views. Absolutely phenomenal. There's the link. Go to that, do the course. I can thoroughly recommend it. Now we will be reviewing the YouTube videos that are available, and we will make you aware of many more that can add a lot of value to your own trading. Again, this is a free course and well worth doing. Links to anything mentioned in this video will be in the description of the video as well as in the first comment of the video. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.